Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Ikea patio is probably one of the most exciting ways to transform your outdoor space into a relaxing oasis. Whether you're looking to create a cozy corner for morning coffee or a spacious area for entertaining guests, Ikea's patio collection offers a wide range of stylish and affordable options to suit your needs and budget. From durable furniture sets to charming accessories, get ready to discover how to create your dream outdoor living space. Number 5. Best Choice Products 10-foot Offset Umbrella. This Best Choice Products umbrella is perfect for your backyard or poolside. It provides shade and comfort on those sunny days. Enjoy your outdoor space with this stylish addition. The easy tilt adjustment allows you to position the shade exactly where you need it. You can easily adjust it to block the sun's rays throughout the day. This feature ensures optimal comfort and protection. The umbrella features a durable polyester shade that is built to last. It's designed to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting shade. You can relax knowing it will protect you from the sun. With its 8-rib construction, the umbrella offers excellent support and stability. It's designed to withstand wind and other weather conditions. This sturdy design ensures it will last for years. Whether it's your backyard, poolside, lawn, or garden, this umbrella is a great addition. It enhances any outdoor setting while providing shade. It's the perfect way to enjoy the outdoors. What we like. This umbrella's offset design provides maximum shade coverage, perfect for your patio. The easy tilt adjustment lets you customize the shade throughout the day. If you're looking for a way to stay cool and comfortable while enjoying your outdoor space, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The table is sturdy and easy to assemble. The chairs are comfortable and stackable. The set is weather-resistant and easy to clean. Number 4. Best Choice Products Outdoor Sectional Sofa Set. This sectional sofa set is designed with a sturdy steel frame and beautiful hand-woven wicker. It's topped with comfortable, all-weather cushions, ensuring long-lasting use. You'll love how durable it is. The set features a trendy open-rope wicker design, offering a contemporary and rustic aesthetic. It's designed to match any outdoor decor, making it a perfect addition to your space. An elegant matching side table is included, featuring a tempered glass top. This makes it easy to clean, allowing you to set down your plate or coffee mug without worry. Enjoy the set as a 3-person L-shaped lounger, or detach the lounger section for a 2-piece relaxation nook. This flexibility allows you to customize your seating arrangement. Unwind on this stylish set that not only looks good but feels comfortable with thick cushions and included back pillows. It's perfect for your backyard or porch, offering a great place to relax. What we like. This sectional's detachable lounger offers versatile seating options. The thick cushions provide exceptional comfort for relaxing outdoors. If you enjoy hosting gatherings or simply want a flexible seating arrangement, it's a great choice. What people say. The table is sturdy and easy to assemble. The chairs are comfortable and the cushions are a nice touch. The set is a great size for a small patio. Number 3. WJ-X3 Outdoor Sectional Furniture Cover. This cover is designed to protect your dining table, chairs, and furniture set. It shields them from sun, rain, snow, dirt, and more. It fits items up to 126W x 84D x 31H inches. The ripstop fabric makes this cover incredibly strong while remaining lightweight. It stays soft even in cold temperatures and resists tears effectively. You can easily secure this cover with the cinch in the middle and the click-close straps at the corners. Grommets at the hem also help keep it in place, preventing tears. This durable cover has reinforced handles for easy handling. Air vents reduce condensation and wind lofting. It also comes with a storage bag for when it's not in use. This cover is a great gift idea for any occasion. Consider placing an object underneath to prevent water pooling. If you have any questions, we're here to help. What we like. This cover provides total protection for your outdoor furniture. Its strong, waterproof design ensures your furniture stays safe from the elements. If you want to protect your investment and keep your furniture looking its best for years, consider this cover. What people say. The table is sturdy and easy to assemble. The chairs are comfortable and stackable. The set is weather-resistant and easy to clean. Number 2. MFSTUDIO Black Metal Outdoor Dining Chairs Set of 2. These chairs are built with a strong metal frame, ensuring they last through all your outdoor gatherings. They're the perfect choice for any outdoor dining setup, providing reliable support and durability. Featuring a special e-coating technology, this chair is made to withstand the elements. It's designed to resist harsh weather, making it ideal for your deck, backyard, or any outdoor area. These chairs are stackable, which means you can easily save space when they're not in use. This feature makes it simple to keep your patio organized and clutter-free. Designed with your comfort in mind, this chair has a gently curved backrest that offers excellent support. You can spend hours outside, enjoying meals with family and friends in complete comfort. Setting up this chair is a breeze, with simple instructions to get you started quickly. You'll have it ready to use in no time, so you can say goodbye to complicated assembly processes. What we like. These chairs are sturdy and weather-resistant, built to last through all seasons. The stackable design makes storage a breeze. If you're looking for durable and convenient seating for your patio, you should consider them. What people say. The table is very sturdy and easy to assemble. The chairs are comfortable and the cushions are a nice touch. The set looks great on my patio and is perfect for entertaining. Number 1. Best Choice 3-Piece Wicker Bistro Set. This bistro set offers a comfortable lounging experience. It features wide, oversized armchairs with soft cushions and non-slip legs. The set includes a matching circular accent table. It's perfect for placing small decor, snacks, or beverages while you relax. This set is carefully crafted with hand-woven, all-weather wicker. It's built over a powder-coated steel frame, ensuring long-lasting use. Durable, weather-resistant seat and back cushions are included. They provide optimal comfort as you enjoy the outdoors with a friend. The see-through design and textured glass tabletop make this bistro set elegant. It's the perfect fit for any porch or patio setting. What we like. This bistro set features wide, ergonomic chairs and a matching side table for convenience. The comfortable cushions make it perfect for relaxing. If you like to enjoy a morning coffee or an evening chat on your patio, you should consider this set. What people say. The table is sturdy and easy to clean. The chairs are comfortable and stackable. The umbrella provides good shade. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.